Hello everyone, I'm Aditya Bhardas and I along with my teammate Kirti Rola developed this crowdfunder app. It is quite basic app and its main vision is to encourage developers, and it also reduces fraud, and it's highly effective, and it doesn't involve any complex operations. The problem statement is that there are a lot of developers seeking out proper investment to develop a product that is beneficial for the society. But in order to get this investment, these developers visit sites in which and these sites basically collect contributions from people all around the globe. And but the main problem is that these sites aren't centralized at all. They are quite centralized and they are not decentralized at all, and this doesn't make it safe, because if they are centralized, then it makes a particular person or a group of people as their admins, and they can perform any particular operations such as modify the contracts and such operations according to their will, and there won't be any transparency at all. And they don't in these sites basically don't protect the contributors from malicious and fraud activities. So we came up with a proposed solution that we make these sites decentralized, so that there won't be any kind of centralization involved, and the contributors can see what's going on with their money behind the scenes, and there will be a kind of transparency with the contributors' money. Why it is worth solving, because a lot of fraud is going on regarding this, and if we are able to cope up with this solution, then we'll help a lot of people. The advantages of this site is that it's quite transparent and it doesn't allow any kind of fraud to happen behind the scenes. This is basically the design of a site. The if you are a developer and you want a campaign of yours to be created so that contributors from all over the globe can invest in your campaign, then here's the link. Here's the create campaign button. You can create a campaign. You'll get a campaign of yours, and these campaigns will be shown on and the list, and from where the contributors from all over the globe, whichever contributor is interested in your campaign, can invest a particular amount of money, and this money will be decided by you only while creating the campaign. This will be the minimum amount required to enter your campaign. And these and our site also includes two of the options, that approve and finalize. So our site, all if you want if the developer wants his campaign to be approved, then he has to get approval by most of the majority of the contributors, and after getting his contract approved, he can finalize the approval and move on with his contract. So this will basically create a kind of transparency with this will create a transparency with the contributors to see what is going on with their what is the developer doing with their money, so that the developer doesn't run away with the money just faking project and so on. Future perspective, this centralized app will surely make the contributors money safe, and it will be quite feasible to use. Thank you guys, this was all. Thank you.